Hello and welcome back. Today we're working on 2016 Dodge Challenger RT model. We are just building this car, redoing the airbags and everything, and last night we left the vehicle with fully battery charged, and when we came this morning tried to start it, eventually the fuel pump was running all night automatically for some reason. We don't know even why, and we figure out it killed the battery, and it continued on when we charged the battery, the fuel pump working. So after we diagnosed everything and look at here, it's not showing any fault on my computer. It just shows that level in fuel sensor, it's not correct reading, and we still just cleared all the codes in the vehicle. But after our did research and did a couple diagnosed, we find out that we have a really bad relay. This is what caused all the problem. It looked fine, but eventually this relay, it just keep contact and let the fuel pump running, and I'm gonna show you how does that work. Back of the vehicle, there's a fuel box over here, and the fuel relay will be in this corner. I'm gonna plug the bad one, let you hear what it sounds like. So right now it's plugged, as you see, but we're gonna go to the fuel pump. You see, switch is off, car's not running. You can hear the fuel pump working. Disconnect it, stop working, connect it, will work. Does not even allow the car to crank again. So that means we have a really bad relay. So I'm gonna show you, we are got replaced it with a new one. This is the new one. I'm going to disconnect the bad one and put the new one. Oh, just for your information, one side got the 3 pins and the second side got 2 pins. The 2 pins going to be to the rear, the 3 pins going to be to the front. So we'll go like that. Now we are going to do the same thing. Check the fuel pump. Boom, nothing. So you don't have any problem, electric problem, it just only bad relay. This will cause all the problem. I'm gonna show you right now. The pump not running, the car not running. I'm gonna start the car. Everything looks fine. Everything just looks fine right now. The car running. We have charged the battery again, and we ended up all the problem. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'll respond to you as soon as I see your message. Thanks.